Hi my dears. So in the last class we already seen the poem part. So today we are going to start with the prose part. Okay. So the prose part name was, the topic is the one who survived Ada Blackjack. The one who survived Ada Blackjack. So what is in this lesson? What is in this lesson means, in this lesson there was one woman, how she was bravely do the adventures. So how she was bravely do the adventures. So what she done? What she done? So this detail only today we are going to see in this lesson. Before that, so first of all I want to say to you one thing. So what does that means? So why you have to be a brave and bold means, first of all what you have to do. If you want to be brave and bold means what you have to do. Yes, you have to come out from fear, come out from afraid, come out from frightened. So first of all you have to come out of your fear. So if your fear means you cannot able to talk frequently, you cannot able to talk easily, frequently. Yes. So I want to say only one thing. Please come out of fear. Please come out of your fear. So whatever you are having any doubt or any clarifications, whatever you have means, you just ask to us. We will help you. We will help you. That's only I want to show. So in this lesson, there was a one woman, how she has a brave and bold during her adventures. That's only today we are going to see. Before go to the summary part of the lesson, we have to know the character's name. So when you will learn the character's name only, this story makes us easy to understand. So first of all you learn the character's name. So if you are having the book means, please underline the names of the characters. Okay? Yes. So what does that means? The first character name was Frederick Maurer. Frederick Maurer. Ye lone night. Okay, so these two characters are 28 years old. So the age was 28 years old and they both are Americans. Okay. The next character was Milton Galley. So 20-year-old and he also an American. So the next character was Alan R. Crawford. So he belongs to Canada. And his age was 20-year-old. The next character was Stephenson. Who is he means? He is a group leader. So he is a group leader. The next one, our heroine is Ada Blackjack. 23-year-old. Her son name was Bennett. Okay. So these Frederick Maurer, Elon Knight, Milton Galley, Canadian Alan Crawford, Stephenson, Ada Blackjack. So these members are traveling or expediting to the place of Wrangel Island. So where is in this means? It is located in the Arctic region. Is it clear? Okay. First, this story begins with Ada Blackjack born. So in the young age itself, she loses her parents. She loses her parents. So grandmother only takes care of her. So in the young age itself she lost her parents. So she concerns with her grandmother only. Is it clear? In that young age itself she was good and talented girl. So her grandmother always says, you are having the good future. So you are having the good and talented. So you are having the good future. In young age itself the grandmother started to tell those words. Next, after that she was very interested in showing cooking. She was very interested in showing and cooking. Okay. Then later she got married. So her husband name was Jack Blackjack. So in her book it's not given, but I am telling to you. So her husband was Jack Blackjack. Okay, Jack Blackjack. So what's happened means her marriage life was not good. Her marriage life was not good. So one day what happened is Jack Blackjack just beat the Ada Blackjack and starved her. These are all not in your books, just I am telling the extra points to you. Okay, va? So at that time they are having the misunderstanding. They are having that misunderstanding and they both got divorce. Okay, they both got divorced. So her marriage life was not good. Her marriage life was not good. So she had 3 children. So among those 3 children, 2 children were died. So the remaining 1 child, that's a son. Okay. So that son name was Bennett. Is it clear? Yes. So this boy Bennett was affected by tuberculosis. Tuberculosis means TB we can say. So this Bennett was affected by tuberculosis. Yes. So these are the personal details of this Ada Blackjack. Next what happens means one day this group leader Stephenson comes to the house of Ada Blackjack. Why he comes means, so he made one adventure. He made this Stephenson arranged one expedition with 4 men. So they want to move to the place of Wrangel Island in the Arctic region. For that 4 persons, for cooking, sewing, for all those things, they need one woman. For that only she is having the good and talented only. Yes. So only this Stephenson asked this Ada Blackjack to make this journey. So Stephenson came to her house and asked you if you wish to join with that expedition. So at first time this Ada Blackjack not accepted the words of this Stephenson. Why she was not accepted means she has a feeling about her son Bennett, because this Bennett was affected by tuberculosis. So only she does not accept the words of Stephenson. Then this Stephenson says, I will take care of your son. Not only take care, so he also take his medical treatment also. So she is a poor. She means here this Ada Blackjack. Ada Blackjack is a poor woman. So please utilize this time to take care of your son with the medical treatment, like that the Stephenson is saying to them. So Ada Blackjack just thinks about this, and she accepted the words of Stephenson. Okay, I will come and join with us. Because why she is accepting the words means she is a poor woman. So this Stephenson takes care of this Bennett's treatment. Yes, do you understood what I am saying? Yes, Stephenson is take care of this tuberculosis for treatment. So she accepted the words. Later what happens? So the next day they are ready to go to the expedition. So at that time, the first time, so the Stephenson introduces these 4 characters to the Ada Blackjack. These 4 men, 1, 2, 3, 4 men they are having. So the 4 men was introduced by Stephenson to Ada. Is it clear? Next, so Frederick Maurer, Elon Light, Milton Galley, Alan R. Crawford and Ada. They are all go to the expedition. They are going to the expedition of the Wrangel Island in the Arctic region. For what purpose they are going for? They are going to means to make a adventurous. They are moving. Yes. In the ship, this Stephenson makes the food arrangement for 6 months. For 6 months, he just to make the arrangement. Is it clear? Yes. Next, what happens means, so while they are traveling to the Wrangel Island in the Arctic region, so they are all feel very happy. And they are enjoying that journey. After reaching the Arctic region, so they just make to live in one place. For that, this one man says, so first of all we have to make a snow house. You know what is meant by snow house, I think. So why they are making the snow house means because it only protect us. So they make adventurous. Okay. So later what happens means after long days what happens means this Elon Knight was feeling ill. Is it clear? Then at the time, this Frederick Maurer, Milton Galley and Alan Crawford, so take care of this Elon Knight. Why he was suffered means because of the weather conditions, food conditions, all those things it makes suffered a lot. He feel very lonely and he feel very suffered. So no one has helped them. So he was very suffered. No one is helped to this 4 men and Ada Blackjack. Later, what happens means this Frederick Maurer, the Milton Galley, Alan Crawford moves to the place of icy of Chukchi Sea. So they just moved to the place of this icy land because they need a help from others. Why means Elon Knight has suffered lot. So at the time this Ada Blackjack says one word, I will take care of this Elon Knight. You don't worry, you just make your journey and you just ask help from others. Okay, they just moved on the time of and January 1922 they are moving from this place. On January they are moving. So there is no news from these members whether they are died or whether they are lived. So there is no news of 6 months. For 6 months there is no news. At the time this Elon Knight was died. Now this Ada Blackjack only living in the place of Rangel Island. Okay, is it clear? So she only lives in the place because the three members were moved to the Icy Island because of they need a help. So they are not having any information, any news from these 3 members. Elon Knight also died. So she just lived in the place for 2 years. She just lived in the place for 2 years without any members. Is it clear? Without any members. Yes. Then what happens means, after that 2 years later, there was one ship comes. In that ship there was a members asking about what are your companions, what are these companions, where are they? So she just described all those things. This Elon Knight was died. These 3 members were moved to the place of Icy Island. So what happens to them, I didn't know. Okay, how you can live in this place? So do you know hunting? Without food we cannot live, no ma. So this Ada Blackjack makes brave and bold. She just only one person live in this island. Is it clear? Yes. So then she become very popular. So the news companies, all those and comes and asks to the question, how you can live in that place without having any help, how you can live. So do you know hunting? So do you know that? He did not know. She just know the sewing and cooking, that's all. So he is like a homemaker just like here. But the woman, the first time who hunts the animals and start to eat for their starvation. Yes. So the news reporters asking the questions, how did you live, how you can manage that situation, so do you know hunting, so all these questions asked. So at the time she just replied, so the Maurer left the map in that place, using that map only I will manage the situations. So for what about the food? Food means a fox was around us. It was trapped around the trap. So I will make use of this to eat. So this here the story concludes that so she was very popular. And she was has a name as a brave and bold and courageous girl. So from this story means what we learn means, so she is the only woman, she feels lonely, she feels alone in that island. How did she manage the situations? She just managed the situation. So she is very brave. She does not have afraid or any fear. So 2 years she lived in the place of Rangel Island. Do you believe that? Yes, this is the true. So like a same way, you have to be a brave and bold. So don't be afraid. So this is the moral of this story. Don't be afraid, be brave and bold. When you are feel lonely means it's nothing. So you have to come across with the situation. So this is the moral of the story. So once again I want to say, be brave and be bold. Is it clear? Don't be afraid for anything. I think this lesson is clear for you. Yes, already we see the memory poem, the trains poem. So I think you are all memorized the poem. So this is the first lesson. This is the first lesson we learnt. Okay. So in the next class we will see with the new lesson. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.